Man, that is the Rasta Jackson energy.
Yeah, right, that's all that. Energy and the Rasta energy. Right for the Rasta.
Yesterday we were picking up from the CMC. Did you want to go there before?
White nose. Chunks, wall balance, chunks.
Alright, let me energy!
Oh, you're pulling the energy.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. I me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well, guys, well. You know, it's another night market night. Everything goes already. It's a night market night. So, well, I'm here for some food, you know. And I also got some guests coming to see Yaya as well too, to get some product from Yaya. But I'm mainly here for the food, and then I might get one and two stuff as well too from Yaya. I know the thing is, you cannot have too much, you know. So I have to always have them stack and pile. So it's a regular night market night. I don't know what's going on tonight, but I know for me, food in my belly, you know. I need some doubles. I think tonight I'm going to only feature doubles I want to get. It's a doubles night for me tonight. So regular night market night.
She's right at the front right now. Yes, we're in the middle. We're gonna start off in just a few. DJ Ben is still holding down 5. Even I what's what we're seeing on
Anything that can stick to my general.
One kilo, you know.
There, man.
Here we have pineapple, barbecue chickpea, stir-fried veg.
Pineapple barbecue chicken.
Yes. Try that. Maki pasta, burger rice. Yeah.
Could never do.
Just only the elk here. Muffin stew. Yeah. See what I'm saying? Planting as usual.
Every day.
Official, you know?
Every year.
Solid avocado there. Single. You know what I say? Right now, I get consumed.
Get consuming.
You know,
I'm missing around here today, I'm vlog, you know. Hello, Mel. Good night.
you know, remember me? They send the money from the guy with the plan.
One time. Don't it, my apology guys, my apology. Well. So I mean make sure they hear, you know, give thanks. I don't really mean, you know, she know what the healthy spot is, that she come for the good stuff. Alright, that's true. She do it through me that she come for the good stuff then. The good thing then. You know? Good things. There's the eye already. Yeah man, it's worth it. It's worth it. Yeah. One bag of yaya product. See there? You cannot go wrong, you know? So pick up yourself, my man. Yeah, move some man. Pick up yourself, my man.
One keen up on the flag.
Yeah. There, man. 7.
So I give you some dandelion. I saw you with my 2 little eyes.
With 2 little eyes, and I saw you with my 2 big eyes. How are you doing? High five.
I can use that.
How is everything?
I have a new game.
Yeah?
I have a new game.
You have a new game?
Yes.
What?
I'm coming back.
Alright.
See you later, you know.
So that's it, worth it, you know? Right, trust me.
Cranberry.
I have to come out here, man, because I have to come re-up as well, you know? I have to come every week, re-up, you know? That's how consistent I am. You know? Big up yourself, see that?
Big up the creation.
Yeah.
Let's be the key now, isn't it? Always for the plugin.
Yeah.
Always for the beauty. Show the world how Jamaica stays.
That is it.
Do it. So follow me now, the creation. THEGREI. Creation.
One great show.
A new EP, new music that come out Friday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Every Tuesday we're there. Vibes.
Yeah.
Performance.
Alright. Big up great show. Oh yeah, now somebody to come see you too as well, you know. Hello, Bina. Are you on the road? I saw the place there, man. I see my market, everybody there, so I was supposed to take one part here. Yeah, I'll come out there come meet you.
Look at this.
2 hours after. 2 hours after. 2 hours after.
Got it.
I'm coming out here. Now come. Yeah, so you probably have to go up the road to get a party, but you have to drive and have a party. That's what the place there.
Yeah.
We just don't want to reach to the brain. Listen, man.
This new
You have
game.
Charles' sister out there as well, too, you know.
Where's your sister, man?
Yeah,
Yes, I'm say when you come buy stuff here, man.
yeah. Tell them I'm consistent every week I'm here. Never really.
This new game.
Got your new game.
Yes. This new game is called Picture Game. This is how you play. You must move the creator like this.
At a real spot today, you know? Yeah. You know what my sister said? So she been trying so much different herbal man over the years. And nothing that very fun. This one the old one. So that's why she's up here now. She's not gonna meet. Because she gonna get some stuff there. So diabetes, you know. So this is the way things only work. Trust me. So it's a blessing to find, you know, running to it. Yeah, it's a plus consistent.
Charity was eating there. No, you can't borrow. You can't go there. I want to stay. Right here, we can put this chair close.
So now I never guess what's going to go with them and then bring them back in.
Should I get our things there?
Yeah, she get them, man.
So she would tell us that she like.
Me, if you tell you.
I do all the essential oils. What's your favorite one? These two. I don't know. Oh, you love sweet. Them not sweet and calm. Yeah, I love it. They're supposed to use for your sweet. Then I can.
Yes, guys, I'm back with Mel. I'm back with yeah. And everything goes, I'm going to get my product. I have to. So I'm here to refill the tank. Got it empty. Get my glow.
So this is the skin glow. But you had glow, when was it? Last week?
For my mom.
For your mom last week. So this is skin glow. This is magnesium, sea moss, papaya, and tamarind. So you have like a double, triple whopper. It has 92 minerals. Plus the papaya is for toning and tamarind is for toning and tightening. But guess what? When you add the sea moss with the magnesium, you're getting therapy. So it's not just cosmetics, it's actually skin therapy. So it can remove dark spots, anti-aging, and don't worry if you see people get crazy about one pimple. One pimple don't mean none. It's hormone. You get a pimple, it's hormone. Whether it's hot. I'm in Kingston, I don't have spring water to shower. You get a pimple. Don't kill yourself about a pimple. It's not the product, it's just
because
hormone.
me worry when I get a one pimple.
Yeah,
Me like, where that pimple you come from? Them come and ask, yeah, and something in my blood where I get them pimple. Yeah, it's normal. You know, so I just say hormone.
So when you get the product, it's a set. So it's 3 products. He already has his wash, his scrubber. He has his gel, and so he tops up frequently on his serum, which is your third product. So come on over, shop Urta Imani. We are Jamaican, we are organic 100%, and we have our sea moss soap. So feel free to come on and add our sea moss. Can I have that please, baby?
It's not only that, those are used, you know, so you must tell them.
Yeah, and so he uses our butter too. That's when phone battery is dead. The only time I get notice of when phone battery is dead. So we have our sea moss soap. So this will be for your bathroom completely. And then you'd add your coffee butter. This is one of my favorite things, coffee butter or lavender. Lavender is for relaxation, coffee is for toning. It's also the same thing as mocha butter. And we have our lily or black orchid, which is very, very sweet. So just imagine you have one butter, you have your soap. This is what you shower with actually. You don't need a washcloth, you need a towel, right? So that's it, that's your butter. And you only need one good oil from us. One good oil. Let Kino tell you about it.
So you're showing them the Kino package.
Yeah, so this is the Kino package that Kino is using.
That's the Kino package right there, guys. So whenever you come, just ask for the Kino package.
And once you have a Kino package, you get Kino discount. So there we go for Kino package.
There you go. And the oil we use as well, because you make me an oil.
Yeah.
Remember the ginger?
So when I make your oil, I make you a ginger-based oil. I make him ginger, aloe vera, and tea tree oil. So this is now for people who want to do the cleaning of the skin. That's your oil, and that's an everyday oil too. So imagine you go into your shower, you wash your body, you lotion your body, relax, put on your glow, and then you put on your butter just to relax. You have your natural, organic, smell very, very good oil. Knock out the fake perfumes and you have your soap. Just imagine how relaxing this is to rub your body. And guess what? This is bamboo fiber. So we're talking about 100% organic. So let's come and let's do it. When you buy that one, we put it in a proper packaging for you. The bags them a hide from you, but we brand your bags and we put your package in there. They come larger and we use this as our organic set. So buy Urta Imani online. Reach out to Kina, reach us to us. We are 876-777-6 0777-1216. Yeah, send me some love and let us order. Make us support Jamaica, you know. Too much fire now get the money. And we have good organic deodorants. And we have our pain rub. Don't forget the grandmother and mother them and everybody who have pain rub and want it. Let us do it, alright? And this is just a little bit of money. Call us and let us get it done well. You live organically, you live longer. When you finish, you go right over there, you knock it out. We also have our scrubs. So if you want to get a natural sea moss-based detoxing mask, put this in your blender with about this much water and you have this for a month. You cannot beat this.
Yeah, that's all.
There we are.
And over here is the external, over here is the internal. You know, Yaya himself, the internal. Hey. Yaya himself. And we have the future champion right here. We have the future champion right here, so guys.
Crystal slowly.
Yeah, so guys, look out for her. 100 meter.
Yeah,
you know,
100.
running for Jamaica. Right, so the good thing goes, we'll probably see her in the future, probably sure. So we're going to see her in the future running for Jamaica. Right?
Jamaica this year, you know?
Is it?
Yeah.
So you hear that she's running for Jamaica, so what was the finish?
It was a relay. So
was a relay?
Yeah, in China.
See, that's good. So stay tuned for her Olympic. You know what I mean? Tell them what's the IG?
Crystal dot slowly. So KRYSTAL dot SLOLEY.
Alright.
Slowly but surely.
Slowly, no, but she fast. They should have slowly.
Again, that's a lot.
Yeah, so fastly. You know, because she run fast, then you change that slowly and put fast.
Yeah, if you go Maria, man, very fastly.
Okay, well.
Oh, the other chat, yeah, next year, we need to make sure
more.
Get some of them other chat. You want some more?
Yeah.
That's it, let me have a look.
Oh, Guinea.
You want a Guinea, Pasha? Well, let me have the last minute bag with pick out it for the list. Yeah.
Oh, you know, time to go back on the purifier?
You didn't get something there, right?
No, you never gave me
the stone crusher.
No. Yeah, come. Somebody think me gonna see a Friday if they get it Friday.
Okay, now what you have to want about it?
Yeah, it's in the vehicle.
Alright.
It's in the vehicle.
That's it. You get your bag clean now. That's it. Pack up. How's it today? Left out 3 people. Tell every day I come back to eat anything. I can't get the juice.
So I'm getting back my products.
I want to go to my hungry. Ari gone to the shop.
Alright guys, so see the products. Get up my stone, you know.
Yo,
I got one already.
you have one?
Yeah, I use it all the time.
Yeah, man.
Use it all the time.
Yeah, man. Clean the blood. Very important. The blood not clean. Yes. Toxins that travel.
Chocolate as usual.
Left it. Stem cell food. Guinea
extra.
good for sleeping too. Serotonin and melatonin. Well, you know the more.
One more.
Yeah man, one more. Gut health. Digestive system.
Yes.
A lot of people have digestive issues. Acid reflux. Also, it also helps balance pressure as well and diabetes too. So you want more. You want more. When you're in cup.
Yeah. So I got my external and the internal. So I got 2 bags here.
Give you a ginger mix.
Oh, I need a
when last you do something then? Some charcoal.
Oh, I look a while now.
Alright, what am I going to do?
You can either choose 2 or 4,000 what you want it to be. I'm going to give you a ginger.
Alright, you see this? This we call this the cellular health. The cellular health. So, what happened? These are some capsules under the powder I'm giving some capsules because this has bentonite, zeolite, you have Corella. So this good for heavy metal.
Metal.
Heavy metal.
Like for instance.
Lead, arsenic, mercury, aluminum.
Oh, that's for your inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
People are, and I'm tell you, say, a lot of people have heavy metal because once certain food where you eat, it promotes heavy metal. For instance, a lot sea fish.
Yeah.
Mercury. That's heavy metal.
Yeah.
The food pan, there are the pot a lot of people that eat out of. Aluminum.
Yeah.
Heavy metal.
Okay.
You live in a brick house or concrete house, lead.
Yeah.
Heavy metal.
So this help clean it?
This clean
from all the
heavy metal. It go down to the cell.
Okay.
See, and it help to bind up the worm them too.
Yeah.
See, now them parasites in your body, so it's a very good
you take this one.
Alright, so this capsules form. Because normally we have the charcoal in the powder form.
Yeah.
But this is capsule, so you take anywhere from 2 to 4 of them.
Okay.
You want to take it 2 hours away from your meal. First part of the day is good because you have to drink a lot of water after. You know. And as I say, this is good for a lot of people who even experiencing certain issue from the COVID vaccine too.
Okay.
You know, so because as I said, that comes with a lot of metal.
Yeah.
You know. Also, this is a good.
So 2 hours away from your meal?
Yeah, man. After. I would say after breakfast. You know, being that you don't want to pull the good nutrients them.
Okay, from
what you're eating. So 2 hours away from breakfast is a good time. And also if it's pharmaceutical drugs too, if you're taking any. 2 hours away from it.
Okay. So
drink enough water.
Drink enough water.
Yeah, man. So we know you drink enough water, so you don't have no problem with that.
So in the evening, when will be
9 in the evening, do it the first part of the day still, man.
Well guys, blessed love, welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know the thing that we here and we ain't no faker. You know, so we here, stopped off in 3 Mile, to pick up some lovely stuff, for the kids them, from Cranberry and from one of our lovely extended family, which is we have here, our lovely extended family right here. Blessed love, welcome her, so tell me name.
Well, I'm anonymous.
She's anonymous.
And my sister name is Grace.
Okay.
And we're from Canada.
Oh, where's Grace? Go give me the
Grace
phone.
Grace is right here.
Oh, Grace is on the phone, but we can't see her. I'm going to see if we can pick her up. Go see if we can pick up Grace. Grace, you put on the eyeliner yet? Oh, we can't pick her up. She's hiding.
She's right there.
She's not showing right there. I'm going me and you will see each other.
She's putting on her.
Oh, she put on more. So guys, so Grace I go and titivate up and things.
Grace, hurry up.
So yeah, so let me drop off some package, some stuff here. So this is for who? So we have some more back to school stuff here, some kid stuff, some books, crayons, So it says more back to school stuff. We have right here, from Anonymous.
Grace want to tell you something.
Go on, Grace.
I love you, Tino. I love especially when you are in the water. When you came out of the water,
yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, I love you too. So that means I have to go in the water more often.
Billboard. You need to be on a billboard.
Don't it? You need to put me on the billboard. Or them bill a board for me.
Honestly. You need to be a poster boy, a poster man.
I don't know, well, you probably have to be the management of that then, right?
For sure.
Yeah.
I would love that.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you for your love and your support, Grace.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I can't wait to come and see you in December.
Alright, looking forward then. The time's cool.
Take care.
Alright, take care. Alright, so that's Grace. So that's Grace, you know, from New York, right?
From Canada.
From Canada. I'm coming there soon. So Canada is gonna be is on my list to come there soon. And a selfie.
Oh, take a selfie.
Kauchumatala. What a long countdown.
Nice to meet you. I want to keep my ride. Because it's hard getting nice to meet you. Oh my God, Grace is going to die.
Grace, don't cry. Don't cry, Grace. Don't cry.
Lots of love.
Yeah, just sharing the love. I don't mind.
All right, bye.
All right, so who's this for now?
This is for Cranberry. And these are for, this is especially for Cranberry. This little makeup, no, this is candy for her, but there's a makeup here, a little bag I tie in a plastic bag.
So these all for Cranberry?
And for
Nana.
Father of the Year and Nana.
Oh, which one is for
Father of the Year? You choose. There's
so we have to try and sort them
you
out.
sort it out and you choose what. But this one especially is for Cranberry and her sister.
Oh, so this for Cranberry and her sister.
Yes, but everything else you can choose. You decide. You made the decision.
So they used to be Father for the Year, Shanette,
and
Cranberry and the
her
kids.
siblings. Yes.
All right.
So
then.
you choose.
And it's from Anonymous
and Grace.
And Grace. I'm Canada. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yes.
All right. Bye.
Drive good. Which say you want to go now?
Up here.
No, I not say like
no,
that way.
They can't even go up here from here. You know. So why you want to go up here? You want
a car part, like a car part.
You want it?
Like a shop where you purchase cars.
Okay.
Parts.
So you want to go Agri Park Road, right? But this is Agri Park Road now.
Right away,
I'm going that direction as well too, right?
You want to go Agri Park? You said it's right here. Love, thank you.
All right, then take care, yeah? All right, bye. All right, so thank you, Grace from Canada and Anonymous. You know, we thank you so much, you know, for this stuff to help out to the kids, them, you know, the back to school, them school supplies, you know, it's kid stuff. So Shanette and Cranberry and you know, none of them. Yeah, so we're gonna head out, guys. Good guys, yeah, so I'm in Trenchtown now. So I got some donation to give out, you know, to the members them, and then we're going to head up to Mama River to go see Cranberry and family, you know. So we have some donation here from Iron Mike from Queens, New York, you know, Iron Mike himself from Queens, New York. So I'm going to give the members them some donation and they will just took out and go up there. So. Dynamite! Boom! Yes, yes. So I was going to say, give them some donation and they took out. Where go on?
Where you go?
Where you go?
Where have them from?
Not yet.
Where started, Kian?
Nobody worry how me started. So you now started. What's your name? Oh. Oh, what's your name? Short him there. Perfect. Perfect is there. No.
Energy come back again.
Boom. Them ask if energy come back again. Yeah, energy there. Energy there.
Man, we're there, king of life
In Jamaica.
There.
The kids them ask, energy come back again?
Yeah, man, we're there in one energy. Yeah, the youth them love it. Remember, big up all of the crew there, you see?
Yeah.
Whole family.
The youth them know
we are stroll to right, you know.
Yeah.
Don't know, just left right in our town. So me I come on the ends. You know how we deal with it, man.
Yeah.
You see it. And oneness, you know.
Hold on, man. The kids them so we the energy there again.
Man. Key, you know. Them take on the energy, you know. Nobody now call me maroon again, you know. Energy them I say, you know.
Even mother say, yo, maroon man, we print some shirt and say energy.
Yeah, man.
In a different color. And send them down, put it top off. And send them downtown.
Yeah, man, that man, man, energy, man. But yeah, what?
Have a website. You see me as I like how you live on the media now. Have a website that people just go and check out the Maroon Man t-shirt, the merch, you know.
Now go get that garments thing, man. Now get the full understanding. Energy. That's how I get the plain guns of them. I say, energy! One Maroon, we have it.
A different color, you know.
See you from the forward.
Different color.
So you're going in there, sleep.
No, man, come out already, man. You Gina still up man.
Sam, you got call Jella?
Jella just stand up in the store.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
One keen life in Jamaica, you know. You know what we are saying, one extended family. You see me and say, big up on yourself, everybody. You see me and say, yeah, man, each man. You see me and say, I want 30 grand again for the app. You see it? Yeah, man, big up on yourself.
So guys, let me say, we have Maroon Man at the place as well, so we have Maroon Man here, you know, Maroon Man, we have a donation for Maroon Man as well too, you know, so them love him energy and them send a donation for the Maroon Man also, and then now I'm going to head up to this Cranberry and family to give them also a donation as well, to give them some stuff, you know, so one is Jella now, one Jella for roll through.
And what do you mean walk to see a woman in this? I say,
me downtown, man.
Yeah, no dear the key, man.
Yeah.
Because I can't wear nothing rough, you know, because I'm diabetic. I can't, you know, because scratch my foot and then sit there, you know.
You're diabetic too?
Yeah, man.
And you would even tell?
Yeah, man, I'm diabetic, man, but you know, we are trying to live around it. As I said, the energy, we have to exercise and drink beer bitters. You see the name, the Cersei? Yeah, man. And rice bitters, my boil and 3 bush there together. Put them in my fridge. Each time I feel like I want something to drink, I don't go drink them. Yeah, man, you have to get a vibe. Them thing they make, you know, they take no insulin and them sitting there. Okay. You see, you have to firm up. You have to exercise. Sometimes people check say you have to go to gym to exercise. No. We don't go to gym. We don't do what we are doing now with all. Yeah, man, we give them a little Chinese exercise them. Can we go for the little thing that we see China them are doing now. Yeah, man, just them thing there. And then fit to fake China not dead, you know if I know you kill them. Onion rice like China and then say rice do it thing. Remember China, me see them most white.
Come here, boy. Come here. Come
but people, somebody say they have a way where they cook it. They must cook it different. Like them have boil it and chew out the first
Guys, so we're going to end up under the donation now. So we can do something more, you know. Esther.
Nobody brother.
Alright then, so we have some donation, you know. And this is call out individuals them, you know, is what the viewers them say, and besides send them a donation, you know, for the man them what them is here. Because them one thing them say, Kino, we always say boom, you know. Whenever we see you, we say boom. Jackson never did there, 30 grand never did there, them say prefect ever did there, you know, wow, so and this is Jenna, so them say them are blessed who them see. You see me? Who's giving and helping and seeing me. I'm to like carrier. Nobody rub that out yet. Yes. So first, So them say ladies before gentlemen. So first, so Esther is here, bobbing ball, cookie bobbing ball first. That's in ladies before gentlemen. Yeah, call your mother. No, not your mother. Not your mother. Esther. So we have Iron Mike, you know.
Iron Mike Tyson.
Yeah, Iron Mike in name, but another Tyson. Iron Mike, but no Tyson. You know. Yeah. So this is Iron Mike. So we have 10,000 a year for Esther from Iron Mike from Queens, New York, where you're coming from, Esther. Yeah.
I never there Queens. No, I was
New
in
York.
Bronx. The Bronx.
New York, you there.
Thanks, I really appreciate it. I made a good Lord bless you and keep you always.
Alright, so we give thanks to Iron Mike. And we have no other than energy! Energy!
Energy, you know?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
imagine,
man,
Maroon Man, first donation on the program. You know? First donation on the program, and Iron Mike say, yo, I have to bless up the Maroon Man because the man turn up the energy in my house. Me nah lie, the man turn it right up. So Maroon Man, you have $10,000 a year for you from Iron Mike, not the Tyson, but the Mike.
Yeah, Iron Mike from Maroon. Why I appreciate it, a thankful faith, brethren. I never give you nothing to put on. I very appreciate it. And I hope you can continue to donate.
Yeah.
With the blessing where I flow upon you, madam.
Yeah,
me ask God to give the strength, the energy.
Where
That you can really watch you and dance with and feel good. But keen program, keen life in Jamaica. Me appreciate it, youth. Me welcome. Energy! Energy!
Alright, so Maroon Man, so count it to them since 10. So count it.
I will count it.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
From Iron Mike.
Iron Mike, welcome. Give thanks, youth. Give thanks from my heart, youth. Bless you, youth.
Yeah. Alright. And we have no other than 30 grand. The man himself. 30 grand from Iron Mike. So we have 20.
Iron Mike. Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man. And give thanks and praise, man. Because you even know what this year going to do for me right now. You see me, I help out a big situation for me right now.
Yeah.
So this, I appreciate it. Enough love and enough respect. See me, I say,
But this
this
is $20,000 for you from Iron Mike.
Mike.
From Iron Mike.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Iron Mike. And much love. You see me, I say? Dream team, one team.
One team.
You hear that?
Yeah. So
that
give
is
thanks. So that's from Iron Mike, and we have boom, Rasta Messi himself as well too. You know, Rasta Messi. From Iron Mike.
Messi.
Yeah man. So the man said same say 25,000 for Rasta Messi, boom himself from Iron Mike.
Iron Mike. Blessing and one loving and thanks. Blessing.
Yeah, so count it says 25,000.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Sam.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Work your work, Sam. You're not play time. Work your work.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Iron Mike, blessed and one love. Thanks.
Yeah, from New York. So, yes. And we have Wow Chef. So we have Iron Mike himself, $10,000 for the Wow from Iron Mike.
Iron Mike. Straight, enough blessing, only for love, you know. Yeah, man, you see. Bless it to my heart in Iron Mike, you know.
Yeah.
Energy.
From your place, New York.
New York City. Enough blessing, Iron Mike. Enough love, you know.
Yeah.
Blessing thanks, you know.
Alright. And we have Smiley. How are them? So we have $5,000 a year for Smiley from Iron Mike from New York.
Iron Mike from New York. More blessings, more love. Thank you very much. And I hope the food basket never empty. Bless you.
Alright, so Iron Mike. Alright, yeah, give me the wrong one then. Give me them. Can't fire you now. Can't fire you now? Can't fire you now, you know. Alright, hold the rest. Let this stay and the last. Fire him, Jella? Jella said must fire you in a boy songs. So we have Jenna. So we have $10,000 a year for Jenna from Iron Mike from New York. 10,000.
Iron Mike, thank you very much. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. Straight, Mike. May your food basket never empty. Thanks again, more blessing.
Yeah. So count it, so it's 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, anything. Thank you very much.
Yeah, and Mike. And we have Rasta Jackson. Watch your bicycle. One movie star. The only Rasta. The waistline. The Jacksons. We're not talking the Michael Jackson, we're talking the Rasta Jackson. You see me, the Jamaica Rasta. So we have 25,000 here for you from Iron Mike himself.
Iron Mike, no blessing, no? Give thanks and feel every time, no? More love, no? Every time, no? Respect every time, no? Iron Mike.
You know, say, him have him energy.
Yeah.
Boy, you know, make him hear your why? Make him hear your energy. And it's a married man, you know, say, no, you know, hear Rasta Jackson energy.
And Rasta having energy.
Yeah, man, Rasta having energy, man. A long time not give them. Make him hear the energy, man. The laugh, the cry laugh. Give the man energy now. Don't worry, man. That is the Rasta Jackson energy.
Yeah, right, that's it. Energy and the Rasta energy. Cry for the Rasta.
Come in.
Full of talent. You know? They have a laugh energy there. And the singing energy.
You have more energy than that, man. What you say, man?
I'm seeing the dancing one too.
Alright, so we have prefect. So we have prefect. You know, we have 20,000 prefect from Iron Mike himself.
Iron Mike.
Yeah.
Enough respect, you know. Really appreciate it.
Yes.
Very much.
Yeah.
Not only for me, but for the team. Respect and love, my brothers. One love. Thanks. You see?
Yes, of course. $20.
Yeah. Say again, enough love and only for respect.
Yeah.
Thanks again. Bless up yourself. The good Lord continue to bless you.
Yeah.
See you.
Yeah. Come closer. Yo, so you must know. Okay, come and so my old man. Iron Mike, I want to applaud to thank him so much for his blessing. I will big up Iron Mike, you know.
Big up Iron Mike. Yeah. Only for love you. Trust me, you. God, God cover you. God sanctify you. Yeah, man. God guide and protect you. Right through you. Real you. From heart it come from to your heart you. And the goodness of the mercy shall follow you all the days of your life you. That's right there. Iron Mike.
And a dream team.
One team.
And a dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Oh, Iron Mike.
Iron Mike. You make me can start a new life. Iron Mike.
Yeah.
For real.
I mean, some more goods.
Energy. You make me can buy dozen or 2 more dozen things put for me thing, yo. Energy.
Yeah. Makes the prefect more goods.
Yes, man. That is it, man.
Makes some more goods for goods.
Goods like I don't know back to school, you know.
Yeah.
Right, you know. Make sure I get the things them.
Yeah, man. I will support that.
Yeah. So Iron Mike come at the right time.
Yeah, the two
will be around.
Right time.
Tell all the farm of the plant of this year. Could not expensive, could not 12 years. Tell all the farm of the plant of this year. This is something my own witness. Could not it a sell in a supermarket. Ask the price to carry. Price with it. Could that is like our is like my national dish. Everything when me a cook. Could not in a it. The rice and me piece of cook not juice in my it. Call me carry little juice in a it. Could not job in a it. Make it. Could not take that. Could not
Hold Oliver coconut. Yeah. More. So that's why Jackson can get back him phone now. Yeah. Jackson can get back him phone. So he can start him TikTok. You know, because Jackson needs to go up on the TikTok, you know, with them waistline there. So when you get your phone, 30 grand and set up the TikTok for him, as I say, and make him go waistline out the thing. Yeah, man. Yeah. There you go. Alright, guys. So. The coat that will be here.
Put that one up on the wax. That one up on the wax. That one up on the wax. Yes. That's up on the clock. Coconut man, then everybody are dealing with coconut man.
Yeah.
Remember, so when we are need dumpling the coconut juice, I feel that to my brother. Yes, man. I feel that.
Happy birthday, Dennis. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
And Sunday,
Yeah.
24th.
Yeah. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, then.
When you cook everything in a one, so. Everything in the pot.
Are you alone, my father, man?
So I tell something make me so
trap. Can buy prefect, so Max not gonna do that. He's not asking how it go. Max not gonna bite nobody.
Max never do that yet.
Alright guys, I'm saying I'm gonna head up Mom River now, go give Cranberry them some donation and then head out, you know, everything goes. So blessed love, blessed. I and Mike, big up yourself, nothing but love and love alone. Everything goes, blessed love, I and Mike, big up yourself, you know, everything goes. So Jackson, you get your phone, TikTok up the place, you know, waistline Jackson. That's the your life and that's pure waistline, waist, you see me? Waist, yeah. You know, I play your favorite songs, you know? Give me that money there, I say, give me that money there. If you not give me, you know. How many name?
When name?
Let me call the police, you know. Eh? Cousin Key, you know. Oh.
You know, I have new friend enough. Energy God. No energy God, energy.
Yeah, man.
Go about the energy God for elephant sue me. So energy. You can't come there again. You know, the people love and good me people all over the world. You know, Maroon appreciate to know. Yeah, man, for real, man. Maroon love you just as I love you. Because you don't know, I love the energy for going on about the energy. So I straight up. That's right there.
Right, that's right.
Energy, you know. I go and do some energy work, you know. I got Cranberry right now, Cranberry big up. See him. So see what I'm doing. And I get something much.
You see when Maroon around, I feel my life. Energy!
Oh, you're pulling the energy. Jackson come like him take all the energy away.
Look at Jackson the energy.
No, pull it out a while ago.
You know why I love that so that? Jackson, kill the energy for the hill.
You can pull out Jackson energy a while ago.
We know your skills, so kill the energy for the hill.
Let the man pull out the whole Jackson energy. Alright then, so
energy!
want here?
Come take a walk. We're tired of the horse.
Say that us.
So Nana there.
Hey, Nana gone down the road.
Where?
Gone down the road. She's supposed to pass here just a while ago.
Hey, me not see her.
She just passed. Run back the car.
Car there behind me.
Can we stop? I ought to say the guinea tree there.
I know you so.
No, the one I went in the diggy way.
I don't know so.
Yeah, that means I ought to say.
Auntie. Oh, you go stand by.
I see her and say you must have come.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, auntie.
Yeah, she watch you.
She watch you.
And you should watch.
You
Go
should
everywhere hotel and she see you. But Kina can't hide. I say my mother for that.
See, I come from Standpipe. See, a bad place that you know.
No, let me call your name and you can't come.
Oh, this man. So if you call my name, if you come,
Yeah.
if you call the phone, not the name. But you see me,
phone, mash up.
when you see me come now. I come now.
Tomorrow, my mother go buy my bag.
Yeah, so we have for your father. Like when they are, we have
Oh,
for him.
my broke.
Every day,
You
so.
put me one cook and can't get money.
You this.
You can't get money, so you're
can
responsible for cook.
Oh,
forget money and cook. First man, are you responsible?
I him forgive me money.
Emo.
You.
You who?
You cook for him. You cook for him.
That one. That one.
Look like something like man.
Oh.
Look fat up.
I plum me go pay.
So you got stamp, I go pick plum.
Yeah, my mother too come.
Yeah, the black one, them sit at the yard, so. So I could sit in part, so. Grass.
Think you gone here.
Alright, I'm going to park up here some weird power now.
Well,
Tell the mother, alright.
Big nose.
Plane wing you fly.
First
Yeah. Nana more about understand.
yes, Nana, road pass. Nana!
Trap star Nana. We are blues.
Where you come from? Come, I go up at the yard. Come, we park up. You see she run left your Cranberry. You can't make Nana run left you.
yeah, so me can't. Boom, I will laugh at you.
No, never see nobody.
Go ahead, ugly man. Wait till you reach up, yeah, you're dead. Wait till you reach up in there. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's that. Look at me idea. Wait till you reach up in there, you say, I'm choking at Jerry.
So you don't respect your uncle or your grandfather?
I'm an auntie alone, my kid.
Oh, your auntie?
So my grandmother there.
Which one of man you confused, man? You say auntie, you say grandmother. Which one is it? Nana, which one?
Tell you? No, son.
So Esther told grandmother now. Nana auntie again.
Yo.
Yo.
Nana, you're a track star.
Nana, track star.
Nana, come run, man.
Nana, the track stars. Yeah. So this is where Nana start to learn from now.
Yeah.
Nana getting fit. Yeah. She's running the marathon. See that? Yeah.
Nana, the boot team.
Yeah. Oh, Nana. And an up in Sharon too.
Nana, the boot team.
Yeah. Nana make it to the finishing line. Yeah, Nana made it.
9 months. I'm pleased with
Yesterday we were picking up from the CMC.
Ari.
Did you want to go there before?
Alright guys, so we just reached. As you can see, we see Cranberry them on the way. And also just touched down in the place right now. Nana, rolling champion, Toko, swim champion, Harry with 2 left foot, you know.
The 2 friend there.
Yeah. Toko. Nigga son toko.
Así no aquí no.
Toko.
Hello Kina. Just I say no. And about our Kina they like him gonna find that now. Come back, come to food.
Yeah, I go left for now.
Why?
Soon gonna left for now. I couldn't now see me.
Why?
Yeah, my friend not see me.
No, you know how we beat you. You can't go there.
That's how I love to talk about beat.
That's
why you appreciate it too, you know.
That's the way you originate from standpoint.
Beat you one ball.
She can't beat us enough fight.
She can't fight. She can't fight, Nana. Nana say she can't fight.
That's how I go off and better.
Charging there.
Me
Don't stop fight.
me just come on my turn back.
So you know, Kenny Shaw charging up there.
See it?
Him gone.
Papi. I say I'm gonna look for me. I force me I hear this skin. I can't look for people. I don't even know I'm gone. I must have papi now look for me. I can't find me.
Must.
I mean, I'm buying. The woman there. The woman tired. The prince the eye. Then I'm gonna come back over.
I don't know. Too much rain and fall and so the river come down.
Which way river come down? That's the rain.
As you reach here, pull out your ear.
Watch your kidney. If your ear tight, you can't let them hear you.
Oh, you put it on the wall there.
Very tight.
Oh, it's tight. And mommy told me I want to sing.
Sure, Mom. This morning, mommy said, "I'm back on it. I'm auntie put on my ear and tell me why my ear so tight."
Show your ear coarse. Your ear very coarse. Go on, Nana. Yeah. The river come and wash. And the bag go gone as well, the bag go. Yeah. The bag go wash well. Yeah. Washed away. And look at pool gone.
What?
How the bag there? How for them bag there? Oh. For Harry, Esther. Harry, okay? Harry, always the one out here and go and relax. She. Always. Watch it, dog.
You get a look at puppy.
Yeah, more?
Two of them. And then I was bite off him eye.
We are do that for that now.
Bite off his eye.
Why should do that to your
Him bite almost better as they look a puppy.
Let's see why out there. What we see?
You know, some puppy there. One of them there. Well, the other one. That was the iron bike.
I have nothing more to say on the matter. I am staying focused and ensuring that the message of the Jamaica Labour Party on September 3rd of the people of Jamaica will give us the nod to continue for the next 5 years.
JRP Campaign Chairman Dr. Christopher Tufton. The Universal Service Fund USF has appealed to citizens to desist from attaching signs and posters, including those used for political
Put on the dog.
campaigns, to Wi-Fi infrastructure.
Put on the puppy.
Come and him to go for like a baby them.
Dara.
So she always act like a baby them. Run go for him, grab him up like a baby them. But for a baby them. The dog down this have 10 pick and them get 2.
Tara. Put him down. Don't you put him down.
Put on the puppy. Yeah, excuse me.
If I love with the puppy and turn puppy and start bark like him.
Now mums.
My catch mums in her, yeah. Put on the puppy, my catch mums.
Them.
You know them catch mums. Like charge your farm here, so.
Oh, they know, Tina.
For the soil.
You know, see something there, they look at tomato tree there.
Yeah. Yeah. White nose. Chunks, wall your balance. Chunks, wall your balance. Chunks, wall your balance. Where back go? Yeah. No. Don't you say about it?
Yes, see that top, I will just from right there, start to down
Oh, what do you with him?
Yeah!
You know.
I see the yellow shirt, just the yellow shirts I go down, so I be a green,
disappear
again, just disappear.
The sugar are coming.
The yellow shirt I come on a bush with 2 something in a man,
Chunks disappear, what do you? Chunks are come. Yo, Kia, just have to catch them thing, have to show them the bush life, you know, everything, careful. I want to see him drop the mouse up here. Chunks drop the mouse up here. All him phone him drop on, bro.
Yeah, man. Me drop the mouse up every 2
Try if you eat too much.
Yeah. Chunks feel like him fit him can't manage your ears
Whenever I look for it,
come from the edge.
once you slide, the only place I want to reach are ground.
Alright guys, so you know what now, so remember I got some stuff from Unknown and also Gracie, you know, the stuff them. So basically what we do is we split them up, you know, give some to Cranberry them, and also we're going to make the Dream Team kids them as well too, in Trenchtown get some, and also Shanik. So we'll just, you know, separate them and kind of split them up so everybody could get something. You know, because we know so we can't get Cranberry, especially most of the stuff them, because we know so we're going to see them washed away in the river later on. We're not selling stuff. When they give in Cranberry them and family stuff, give them more water stuff. Because them always in water. Not dry land.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Water stuff.
You know, give them some water stuff. I love water. So Esther, one more packing in the bag for them. Coloring book.
How much?
Okay, so you see now we have coloring book, coloring pencil, books,
Oh, no, get it. The phone on them, the whole of them.
Come up here, sir, Cranberry.
No, go get.
Mommy. To make. Them are gonna make things with it.
Oh.
No,
Like puzzle? It's a craft kit.
Oh, it's a craft kit. You look like the waiting in the man. Think of the waiting in there. Yeah, come like the play door. Come like the play door said we. You cannot play. Yeah,
material thing.
Oh, that's the charging. There's the charging. So in there we have some books as well too.
That's gone for now. Oh, that's Harry. That's something.
Which one of Harry?
With the pan top.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Harry. See Harry. That is for you, Harry.
Thank you.
So thank you, Gracie. Look here.
Tell Gracie thanks.
Tell Gracie thanks, Harry.
An unknown.
Tell
Thank you, Gracie, unknown.
Tell Gracie thanks.
Just. I don't know.
So them look good the company.
Harry don't really talk much, you know, guys. That's one thing with Harry.
Like I just want me to take it.
Cup of Cranberry. There's one thing with Harry, she don't really talk much, too much. She always quiet and stuff. You know, so we also have some. So we also have some books as well too. How about them? A Korean book there, coloring book.
Coloring book and writing.
Exercise book.
So who mostly gonna? How do most of them do in a book? Oh, no. What Cranberry do? Also.
You know what they do?
Pencil.
Pencil.
Yeah. Hey, some of them.
Oh, that rubber pencil?
The rubber pencil.
But over
you can use them on robot book. You see them here? I'm show you now.
Rubber.
You feel one of them?
Use this robot book. The whole of it. You don't come on like it's a whole pencil rubber.
What's this?
So there are coloring books and books. So I'm gonna share them up. So who really talk up? The color as well too?
Me too.
The color too?
Yeah, this mama jar.
Make sure you dry, you know.
So
Tara. So here's a crayon pencil. You get crayon pencil too.
You know what this
Oh, this is a Cranberry as well too. Especially so Cranberry can share with the sisters.
What is that?
I'm not quite sure. Esther, check out what's inside. Looking on.
That's some ties, you know.
Them not pull them there, you know, boom. Them are crayon.
Oh, that.
No, I pull it.
Oh, lip gloss. Yeah, lip gloss. Lip gloss and what?
You not pull this, no.
And lotion. See, lotion.
Can you feel like me pull them? Tell me if me have to pull them and share this.
So pop the puppy. I don't know which one this. This is one. Pick it up, twist it, tangle it. Oh, so this is kind of like a toy, like. So.
Oh, hold on.
That sounds like our uncle.
So come on, so thank Gracie.
Thank you, Gracie.
And may God bless you. And do our wonderful day.
And unknown as well to come.
Unknown, thank you so much. And may God bless you.
And do our wonderful day.
My auntie will laugh.
I walk on you, sir. I walk on. Oh, you band?
I saw my band, uncle.
Oh, you band?
I saw my band. I'm going to my auntie asked me why I laugh. I'm saying,
check. Look back and check it.
Okay,
I'm sure you didn't submit the way no put the head in it. Me sure no.
Yeah, man, I have to show them.
Give me where is?
Them there the head.
Thanks.
All right then.
Daddy.
So now, Nana.
Daddy, who there here? Take a back, me see you.
I'm tell you, Esther do it.
I let Esther do that.
Esther do it.
Are you Esther?
No.
In here.
Okay. Sarah, put on it. Shit, and come on. Come here. Really? Malcolm, put up on him.
That's somebody.
Let me see it. Like at least
Esther, I wish she said, you look like police.
Yeah. Esther, stop bringing that.
Somebody in bring. Think of somebody in bring.
You know all this face, sir.
We never make things with them.
Can them stick on the something?
Oh, what them stick on?
On the box.
And on the box. The box is showing you what to do.
Some of the have in them. You have one paper where you can look on them and offer you. Come here and take them out.
Alright guys, so I'm saying we have some donation as well to give. And we have a special donation for Nana. You know, because I say everyone, both the adults and the kids them, everyone, the viewers them, they got favorites, you know, who them really like and take on to. You know, so we have this special extended family that really take on to Nana, and she really want to help out Nana as well too. You know what I say? Everyone have them choice who they want to look out for, or who they want to take care of, because everyone have a favorite. So out of the family, just like everyone say Cranberry. So now Nana have someone that literally have that spot there in her heart for Nana. You know, so we give thanks as well to for Unknown, you know, for reaching out for Nana. So Nana, you know, you have someone that really a big fan of you, you know. Yeah. You know that? Come here. You guys, so Nana have a big fan, right? And a Cranberry alone have fans, you know. You have somebody will literally.
No, I mean my auntie said I get the most.
Yeah, so
when the auntie see this, she goes.
Yeah, when the auntie see this now, a different thing.
So Nana.
So Nana have someone out there will really touch her heart, you know. Alright, so how are them there?
There's some of them to make it.
I and some of them in there.
Oh.
And I get them. Everybody wants that.
And I see the thing is here, them always rushing at them and them get bored. Them guys, you see the things them all over the place. Them start early and then when they get bored of it, when you look, watch. All bored. Watch your neck.
And this them put up and make for them make.
Alright, Kenisha, come.
Come, please.
So guys, so basically Charge is not here. So we really want Charge there as well to enter we're giving this donation, and the person that really want to help Nana. Look, I say, okay, but I really adapt Nana, but not to take her away, you know, but just for us mentor her and look out for her and help her as well, you know. So Nana have someone special out there who's really looking out for Nana. Hey Nana, we and a Cranberry alone. So right now it's Nana and Cranberry and Nana family. So it's a Cranberry and Nana family. Right, Nana?
Them from talking now?
Yeah, me too. Soon you know Cranberry in.
Yeah.
Nana family.
Yeah.
Nana and family.
What's that?
I'm not ready and I'm coming.
Our
lipstick.
A lip gloss.
What's that there?
Make them stay.
Hey, Toko. Why, Toko bully, you know? She just want to see them in something. She just run, how about that? Boom and pull it.
They can say she do all that mashing up here.
Yeah.
This child and things. So when this child and nobody one.
You come.
Come, Ken.
That one that tastes like bug gum.
Yeah, that's something for you to taste. Yeah. I eat it, and something we must eat.
Oh. I sat there, Nana. When she have a seizure. She have a seizure. But she don't sleep.
As usual. For the whole day she sleep?
She sleep for the whole day. And we don't even go after 5. She get up and say she want water. But the next day, she eat.
Okay. So the seizure continue happen then?
Yeah.
Because she don't want to sleep during the day, you know. You need to get some rest during the day.
You don't make them stay up here. Because they really got river. Because enough time we come here, see people them normally come, them all they say them no here, so I tell them say them can't come a river. They have to stay away. Come here. Okay, you know who people we come and say, I know yes, but you don't know who. So I make them go swim with them, make them stay up at the house itself. I think that's the only time them.
Esther call Harry. Get the book, me she come on. Come on, Esther call you.
Esther, look at.
Get the book, me she come. Esther show her.
She want some of them where none of them are play with.
Oh, she want to play with that. She don't want to go. Go on, she go on.
I'll enjoy them see me this. Then one kill me. It smell like something above gum.
Alright, so basically, right? Come, Kenisha, come.
Mom, just come alone then.
Leave them alone.
One.
You don't know why I can't give them so early. You don't know why I never wait till give them the money.
Sorry for you. It smell nice?
No!
Make she get little. Make her sister get little.
You can give her one, because there's more than one in there. So if she and you can give her one.
I'm thinking, watch out.
Cranberry, you do better. You get better?
Wallace. Back.
No, home. Cranberry, leave them. Make them steal.
You rub it on your lip like that.
Go on now.
Want to talk? Harry, I do want me to come. Make Harry do game. Harry, come. Come show me your day. Make up, you know? Felix, you can put some for your lip. Where you want? Cranberry something? Leonard.
What talk?
Tell me how much left back in the screen.
2. How much in there?
1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 come out. So 5 in there.
Leonard. Give me this Leonard.
Kenisha, just leave them with it and make you just focus yourself. Leave them alone.
Yes, like come.
So basically, it start doing school shopping then?
No, you know, say tomorrow, I did say, being at the end of give me a small sum. Tomorrow, I did say, try go down town, go try get something. Say,
Toko, calm down.
Leave it. No one. Leave it.
You don't know what killer give them for.
No, what is
it? You see auntie?
You cannot go to
Toko.
I don't know, watch out Esther. I don't know why I'm never wall it up with them and chill them down.
Never go, may I make them stay and they will go to this one.
Sarah, mature today.
So basically, you say you're gonna start do some shopping for them tomorrow. Alright then. So I have some help towards that as well too. So I have Iron Mike. You know, this is from Iron Mike and family. It's from Iron Mike from Queens, New York, right? And this is $10,000 from Iron Mike.
Iron Mike from Queens, New York. Thank you so much, and may God bless you, and make your basket never empty.
So count it says 10. So thank Iron Mike.
Thank you, Iron Mike. I make a basket never empty.
Iron Mike.
Iron Mike, thank you so much. I love make a full basket never empty.
No, it's not a she, it's a him.
Him.
So thank you, Iron Mike, Tara.
Iron Mike.
All the blue ones, man.
Don't focus right here, so. And we have this is to help out with school supply as well too, from Claudia, you know, from Atlanta. This is 7,500 to help out with school supply as well too, from Claudia.
Claudia from Atlanta, thank you so much, and never make your food basket empty, and may God bless you.
Claudia from Atlanta, thank you very much, and make a full basket never empty.
Claudia from Atlanta, thank you so much, and make a full basket never empty.
Okay. Tara said, Claudia, thank you. Alright then. So we give thanks to Claudia and Iron Mike so far. We thank you so much. And also we have this is from Joe from the UK. The $19,000 for Cranberry and family. So this is from Joe from the UK, 19,000.
Joe from the UK, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never dry.
So Nana thank Joe from the UK.
Thank you, Joe from the UK, make a food basket never run dry.
Joe, thank you from the UK. And may God bless you.
I'm so with Tara. Tara, go on.
Thank you, Mr. Hamilton.
I'm sure. Alright, so we give thanks. So give thanks to Joe, I and Mike. You know, thank you so much, and Claudia, we thank you so much for helping out with the family. So, as I said, we have one special extended family that really Nana touches our heart. You know, Nana is our favorite girl. You know, every one of them favorite, just like, you know, Cranberry them. Cranberry are our favorite. So Nana have someone out there who's also, she's a favorite of Nana. You know, so she definitely said she want to help out with Nana back to school. You see me, and the stuff them which she's gonna need as well too. So basically, you know, so we're gonna give a donation. Let's buy the stuff them and everything to Nana, because this is Nana definitely adopted mother. Yeah? See your mother there, you know. But she adopt you. She's not taking you away. Come here.
Come here.
She's not taking you away. Yeah? She's just gonna mentor you and help you out, okay? Growing up with back to school stuff and everything. Okay? So one way you want to go to school?
You know, say the uniform they pay for you, because they say the school start with the uniform.
Yeah.
Normally it's cheaper when you go on just make a shop. Which if don't at the school now, they say the four of them go to the same school. So we have to just buy the 4 uniforms. And then we got to try to get some bags and the shoes and some socks for them.
Okay. And also book list.
Book list, they say in another week, we have to try go down to the school, because every time I go down there, it lock.
Alright then.
So from I go down there, I just pay for it and get the book list.
Alright then, so with this donation, with this
I see a book, they take with anyone.
Everything I say.
Take the one here. Take the one here.
Alright, so with the donation, so she want to make sure say that I get everything sorted out. You know, the book list, uniform, bag, school shoes, books, pencils, and everything which I got needed. Right? So Esther, come Esther. So this is, we have $75,000, you know, from unknown. So then basically don't want no name to call. You know, so this is unknown from New York, anonymous. So it's anonymous from New York that sends $75,000 for Nana. You know, so Nana, this is to help out with anything at all you want. Okay? From one of your favorite friends out there. She's your best friend, your best.
Oh yeah, you know, say when you subscribe her, she did call me, but she did for come about the 18th of July. But when she did call me, her phone was out, but I end up get the call on WhatsApp. But I never did get for call her. But sorry, I never did answer the call at the time, and I still have you in mind.
Alright, so we have 75,000 from Anonymous, you know, from New York. So Kenisha, thank Anonymous from New York.
Anonymous, thank you so much, and may God bless you. And that come like something that's been fulfilled. I pray to God for it, and it just come. But thank you so much, and may God bless you. And anything that you do it prosperful. Yeah, go on.
Thank you, Anonymous, and make a full basket never run dry.
So thank Anonymous too for your sister.
Thank you, Anonymous, and make full basket never empty.
Alright then, so this is 75,000. So Esther, you count it and put it in Nana and Nana. No, you can come. You come, Esther. Come back up here.
The adopted mommy.
Yeah, from the adopted mommy. So 75,000 for Nana.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There is a one set of 25, so I get 2 more sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
That's 50,000 already.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many are sticking out?
Sticky.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
So that's 75,000 from and not elastic cup here, elastic and plastic cup. Elastic and plastic cup. So guys, as I say, we give thanks, you know, for Anonymous. As I said, Chargy is gone on the road, you know, so wish him was here, so him could have say all the contribution, you know, but he will know, you know, because they relate to him and I will also relate, you know. So guys, as I said, the man is going to buy the stuff them, you know, that they will definitely need for help out with the back to school. So you're going to see all of what Nana get and everything. So Anonymous, we thank you so much. It's nothing but love and love alone. We thank you for looking out, you know, because trust me, everyone needs someone in life sometimes to be a mentor for them, you know, because I will love that as well to appreciate that, you know, for Nana. So we thank her so much. So thank Anonymous again once more.
Thank you, Anonymous, and make the best you. And your food basket never run dry.
And me say, Nana, I have another mother out there somewhere, right? So Nana, you have two mothers. Yeah, so you have two mothers. You have Ken, who is your blood mother, biological, and this one is your adopted mom. Okay? Right?
Right, Nana?
Right, Nana?
Right.
Nana, you're rich. Nana, rich. That's a Nana faint.
What's that?
Nana faint. Check her if she's alright.
You alright?
Nana faint.
Mama breeze you off.
Nana faint. She can't believe her eyes. You know, we give thanks. So as I say, that's more than enough. We can get everything what them are gonna need. You know, them books and them bags and everything. You know, book lists sorted out and everything.
And I didn't want to say thank you, Bimo, so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never empty.
So we gonna do them here. We gonna braid them, can't braid burgers for us.
And them can't braid bead. Them can't bead. So I'm gonna make my auntie just come them here and normally should have plait it fine. So they can keep it for 2 weeks and then pull it out.
When you get some swim cap for them, where cover them here, when I'm going to swim, it don't affect the hairstyle.
But you know me I plan to start in the week, them not go swim until Saturday or Sunday.
So water them live. But as I said, get swim cap for them.
Alright, me I try to get some more to hold.
Yeah, you know the
You have the one where you can go in the water and the ear of it.
I try to get some right down to them ears.
God, that's one thing you cannot stop them from going to the water. Sure. Yeah. No matter what world, you know.
Oh, me? You're there river 24/7. Every day me I put up my hairstyle. Can't keep hairstyle. Hairstyle me up. I'm auntie.
Nana, you're rich.
You know say Esther. You know say my comb Cranberry and Cranberry pull out her hair.
So you go show daddy when him come.
What? I father take that from you and tell us to go and book and buy them there.
About school things I go buy them.
The book is such a say?
But you go down the lock. He said to them, my auntie give me bag. Me left the bag down my auntie.
You get bag already, Nana?
Or cheap bag? Yeah. You see there, I don't see it.
Oh, she get that from the treat?
Yeah,
She and Jay Sean.
Come on.
I mean, and Nina alone never get.
Is it cook? Alright.
Go for them not get.
No.
And she alone not forget no more
You
bag.
get pretty bag, man.
No. 2 bags me want to.
See if I go buy then I get extra bag. Because that's the one that got dirty quick.
Sometimes I one day for what they want to them bag.
So then you're gonna get extra bag and extra shoes.
Nana, your favorite bag?
Extra bag and extra shoes. And that's good. Anonymous.
You can buy sneakers for her? Because you know, so the school shoes them as them wear them,
yeah, I try the water.
So we can
like Air Force them?
Yeah,
Air Force them, you know.
Air Force them, the black one.
The good one, I make them good, you know?
Anonymous, thank you for looking out, you know. So at least now Nana have another mother, adopted mother. You know? Oh man, that changed now. That changed.
I'm gonna come like she's still in a shock.
Nana in a shock. Nana drop down and faint like say, whoa. Oh, Nana, so the kids them they are color. How can I color in a go and you sit down?
We don't go this place.
Yeah, no, they
She want a lot of money. Well, for your richness.
You want some juice?
Well, I'm for her richness.
Yeah, take care of
Give me now. Give me. Give me my pencil and drop.
I leave a pencil. Excuse me. Leave it here. You want water here?
I want to so get bored not to work out. And that done with. Done.
Anna, go on.
Alright guys, yeah man, so we're gonna head out now, you know. We're gonna head back into our town, then leaving Mama River and the back to our Trenchtown. And you know the thing where the journey always continue. Okay, so tomorrow I'm gonna fast back come check on you.
You need to talk for me. Where the guy told?
No, sir. Oh, what time you got town?
Oh, after 8 them time.
In the morning?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We go from the morning. Back to school out when I go full. You have to go from early, get where I get from early. Get them size and everything. Oh. Alright then. Nana. Oh, Nana, your color nice, man. So Nana though? That was it. Let me see how you are color. Look. What is? Esther. Look at Nana coloring. Yeah. Look at Nana one. Nana. You see now Nana have style.
Yeah man.
Nana have style. Look on Cranberry style. You see your style.
Nana money. Kenisha.
Nana they come like she's still in a shock.
Nana, you go see for the money. Nana, hold on for the money.
Nana, hold on for the money. Yes.
Nana say if we can't go to town with Dorothy, Nana you say.
Nana, you say you want to go to town with you.
Yeah, it's a show you on the morning.
Yeah.
Settings at all. I'm quick to boost Kenisha shoes there.
What? My mother got told her last one we had.
I to shower that time now.
Come you want some juice?
Good answer.
Get this?
Man, them wicked is it.
Can we go to light?
Yeah, how much years speed
And I goes to people.
There.
You know, Esther, make check the shoes. Like, check the shoes.
Wow.
You know,
Nana neat, man.
Nana the make fun. Yeah. Already, Nana?
Yeah.
Like your phone ear.
Nana neat. Let me see my daughter one. Let me see what I do with my daughter. Come here, daddy come market. How my daughter go on so?
You chicken color outside. You have to come out.
You must stay inside the line.
You must stay inside, don't color outside, yeah? Everybody get their own color something.
Yeah, stay inside.
You stay inside, don't go outside.
Yeah, it's like how with this one, she stay inside.
Yeah,
so can color too?
Yeah, but you can use different color, but you don't spread out the color.
Look which way your one go outline, see?
So don't stay.
Mommy,
You stay in line.
Yeah.
Don't go outside, stay inside and color.
Alright, I run left for the now kids. Cranberry.
Bye.
Thank you. Alright then.
Which one?
Put up this CRT.
Yeah.
Check up the money.
Nana give mother the money now. You don't have loan time. Nana, I want with our money.
Harry. Tell chat, I'm charging on the phone. I'm gonna come tomorrow. Guys, so we're going inside. Let me say, the father is not here, you know, so we don't want the father to hear so they can assist as well. But obviously, coming back here till tomorrow, so we can make sure so they get everything started. But we definitely need it, you know. So we give thanks to Anonymous, you know, Iron Mike, you know, Claudia. Thank you so much, you know, for the blessings, you know, and Joe as well too. Thank you, Joe, as well too, for reaching out and for helping. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone. You know, so we give thanks. Yeah? If it dry, we have a lip glass. Dry. Boom. So it's getting dark now. Fear rain and fall up here. At least I'm gonna get some rain, you know.
Watch it now. Rain and them I get. A minor to where.
A Linstead.
Linstead. Because them place I feel like the place I find there. If a cheap.
Yeah.
Find some rain. Fully be thin. Cover. And the sky make up a Linstead.
No itch. Real.
I start saddle up. And get me to fall in and think the tide on.
What chunks? 30 grand. Yo. 30 grand. And the thing is here.
Watch it again. Watch it.
Drop again on your phone?
Yeah.
When?
A while ago, when I'm booming, I come and boom and come with something for drink.
Hold on. Let me see what happened.
See there? In my back pocket, as I reach out for coming and boom and some foot slide.
And
stop where this come from, man. I stop where it, man.
Guys, watch it again. 30 grand, buy a new phone. And then now, him drop again and broke. Esther, him drop again and mash up him phone, you know.
Yeah.
I joke this. No, sir. Something is wrong.
Slippers, man. See the key now, slippers. That's stop where it
oh,
comes
man.
from, man.
Listen, man. Are you alone job so much time? I can't believe this.
Want to with me up here, so bro.
Guys. Yo, guys, imagine it. After him almost drop off the cliff.
Yeah.
And then now him left, coming down and drop again with the phone in his pocket. And mash up the phone again.
Stop where it comes from. That's stop where shoes.
Watch it.
That's stop where shoes, man. That's
him drop again, I can't mash up his phone, you know, see that? Again.
I see him phone and fix what here.
This is going to be a third time now.
Third time and fix it.
Yo, it's like Chunks want some Carmel or something, yo.
No, I
want Carmel. And almost drop again right there, so now. Watch it. Watch it. No, sir. Yo, I the man want some more Carmel.
Boss. No.
Yo, listen, I can't believe this. Boom, how much time the man I got drop so?
The
prefect, after the man almost got down the cliff a while ago.
Yeah.
I know, go somewhere else, got dropped. Yeah. Something wrong with I think I want some worship curry chicken back, you know. You want some more curry chicken back. Porridge. I want some more oats dumpling.
Dada, come!
Yeah. Can't believe the man come drop and damage him phone again. Yeah. You know what I mean? Esther, I can't start him start.
Him say I slippers where
No, because the water go around the corner there, so.
you know?
Eh?
And the slippers.
Slippers.
Rub out, so.
Oh, you,
Some no rubber tired.
you can't so salt. Why 30 grand you can't so salt?
Don't think. I'm not the one time me ever drop. The bother with it.
Stop where it come from, man. I just saw you talking.
That's it for your shoes, 30 grand. Like clean the air. So some of them have a like a
Guys, 30 grand, him drop the most since we coming up here. Him drop the most times out of everyone. Literally. You know, imagine it was just there. And we said, mine, mine, mine. And then him left. Yeah. Where's? Yeah.
Yeah. Enough respect.
Yeah. So me tell you, Jax, that's all I want to do for your TikTok, you know. That's a bust to dance there. That's all I want to do, Jax. I go and bust to dance them on TikTok.
Give me this, yeah. Come show
It's sweet, it's sweet.
Yeah.
It's
fire? It's sour.
That's all I want. You see me 30 grand?
We have a big song here around this.
No, too late now. Yeah.
I know long enough just know we are telling.
Long time. Tomorrow they come tomorrow, we'll go pick them.
Yeah, no, tomorrow come pick them. Yeah, no, right.
Jax, that's what I say, so that Monday is buy a phone, you know, and just set up the TikTok. You know? Look good quality. Cause right here lady say, yo, the Rasta man that on TikTok will see a wine. So be a people have you on TikTok. Yeah.
You have to You have to come down with him.
That's right.
I go and make you. No, Tina don't bring it tomorrow.
Come up the road. Come up the road. Rasta Jackson fan, yeah. She said, why not me say for you a Jackson? Yeah. Whiny. Yeah. Alright then. High five. High five.
Come down, come. High five.
Daddy, big up my friend.
High five.
Yeah, I will big up your friend.
High
five, guy.
Like you love porridge.
Now go down go drink soup now. And tomorrow we drink porridge.
Relax yourself.
Where uncle? I do show her. She the bathroom.
Make her go.
Tomorrow, Esther.
Yeah, later. Yeah.
Yep, Johnny.
Yeah.
Remember if you want about my mother them yard?
Huh?
Remember about the people that were yard down the yard?
Which people them?
The woman them.
Which woman them?
Remember say things birthday?
Oh, you want to come with me, Harry?
She want to buy ice cream.
Harry, you want to come?
Looks like Harry want to buy ice cream.
Harry, come, Harry, come. Come, Harry, you can come? Harry, I cry, Harry, want to come. You come? You don't want to stay at the Cranberry? No? You want to stay at Kenisha? Oh, and me, you want to come in? You come. Tomorrow I'm going to come look for you, okay? Take the money out your mouth. Take the money out your mouth.
You want to come for tomorrow, yeah? We're going to put on clothes.
Tomorrow, you come, yeah? Alright, Nana.
Poor Harry.
Poor Harry.
Yeah, man, to cool, man, like.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.